What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? How you doing? Hope you have a great and amazing day. And yeah, it's really incredible, to be honest, on this kind of amazing tech video. And today Google launched the Pixel 9 lineup. I'm talking about the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, and even the Pixel 9 Fold, which is the Fold 2 from the predecessor of the Pixel Fold 1. So it's gonna be really amazing through checking out these kind of brand new lineups and another kind of stuff. The Pixel Watch, the brand new one, is gonna be really incredible. So let us just get started throughout the video of today, so as we can check out this kind of brand new Pixel lineup and what's so new about these kind of devices and what's so goody. And we talk about the brand new Android 15, which is going to be dropping throughout with these phones, and it's going to be really incredible. So enough of me talking, let's get started throughout the video of today. Yes sir. So guys, right now we're checking out the Pixel 9 Pro. As you can see, it comes with the 6.3 inch over here, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL comes with the 6.8, almost like 7 inches. And throughout here it comes with a variety of color. We're having the obsidian, we are having the hazel, we are having the rose quartz, and we are having the porcelain. So they added some brand new colors compared to the past Pixel, like the Pixel 8, and it's really quite impressive. Throughout here we can see the most advanced AI on the Pixel. So they talked about the AI so much on this kind of Pixel, like it got a lot of AI throughout here. And another kind of stuff, it has an elegant design, which I agree 100%. The design, it looks really impressive, quite not bad. They're like squishing the Pixel 8 and they got something much better. And another kind of stuff, the best Pixel camera yet, I can say yes, but there's a catch up to I test it and explore it, because I'm even using the Pixel 7 Pro. As you can see, this is a 7 Pro, and stay tuned for that, for the video, which I'm gonna drop it soon. I decided to go with this phone because I'm going through the lineups of Pixels so as I can understand how these Pixels devices they're going through, because I'm a Pixel fan and I'm a Nexus fan from back in the days. That's a story for the next day. Another kind of stuff, we're having the powerful performance with the G4 Tensor G4 chipset, which is a really nice chipset, I can say, which has very impressive throughout performance, and it's really dope. And we're having 7 years of Pixel's software drops, which is quite impressive, because even for the OS it's really nice. So getting this phone in 2024, 2025, 2026, 27, 28, 29 and 2030, you're getting updates up to there, which is quite a journey, and it's really impressive. Another kind of stuff, we're having the Gemini built in for AI amazing. So Gemini, it's a really nice AI, I can say, and it's a competitive throughout ChatGPT, which Google improved it throughout the device, a bunch of features throughout there. Another kind of stuff, you can see 2 sizes 7 Pro, which is great because Google decided to give people more room throughout understanding if they would like a bigger phone and a smaller phone and having the same specs, which is really dope thing. On the camera side section, it has 50 megapixels of main camera with an incredible image quality as how they're stating, and it has 48 megapixel of telephoto, which as you can see throughout here, I can play and we have much better vivid seeing throughout how much telephoto has been improved, which is quite dope. To be honest, that's freaking dope. And it has a 48 megapixel of ultra wide for Pixel best macros focus, which I can say on the macro side, I think they have to fix that, because so many times even on the Pixel 7 Pro, on the macro side, it usually gets so much challenging on focusing on macro. But I remember I had the Xiaomi phone, which was so much incredible when it comes to the macro shots. So I think Google needs to twist some things over there. On top of that, we're having 42 megapixel of front camera. This, it's dope because they have enhanced the front facing camera and it's really nice. So kudos for that. Having a fast video zoom, so this is zooming on your videos, and quite not bad, to be honest. It have even amazing video after dark. So this is kind of feature which I saw it on the keynote, and it was really impressive because you can shoot video on the low lighting and without getting too much of noisy, and it's really great. It have a cutting edge 8K video, so right now we're getting an 8K video on it, which is really impressive. And usually these are AI 8Ks if I'm not mistaken, but yeah, it needs of peak brightness. We're talking about the peak brightness, and the Pixel Pro it has 3000 nits of peak brightness, which is incredible. And the Pixel 9 Pro Fold has 2700 nits of peak brightness, which is really impressive. On this side, when you drop down on the Pro triple camera, it's just almost the same, but when it comes to the Pixel 9, has only half of the camera features because it does not have the telephoto, so it's missing out something like that. And throughout the Fold, to be honest, it doesn't have that much telephoto. It's just having a normal standard, because when you check out throughout optical quality zoom, you can just see the difference. This goes 5 times and 10 over here, and this goes 10 times. So there's quite a big difference over here throughout the Pixel 9 Pro. So that's how usually it is. When you're jumping throughout the RAM side, now Pixel 9 comes with the 12 GB of RAM, which is good, and the Pixel 9 Pro comes directly with the 16 GB of RAM, and the Pixel 9 Fold comes with the 16 GB of RAM, which is really top notch throughout here. Battery life, it will give you for almost 1 day of battery life, depending on you how much you're using your device. But we all know that you ain't that much tougher user throughout using the device up to the device suffocates. So yeah, overall that's good for 1 day. Even my Pixel 7 Pro gives me 1 day because I'm a heavy duty user. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Pixel 9. To be honest, this is a kind of new upgrade on the lineup, and I'm so pumped, to be honest, on this one, because they enhance bunch of features, and I think it's really worth it to upgrade. For the person who is using Pixel 7 Pro, Pixel 8, I think still you can stick around with the Pixels, because actually not that much I can say upgrades, because everything is about AI, and I believe on other devices Google might be looking at them and give them a little bit of features, you know. But if you're somebody new to Pixel, well, Pixel 9, it's a worth it to grab it. But if you're, you know, you have already owned a Pixel and you just want to upgrade, that's good too, you know what I mean. It's really worth it. So I'm looking forward for the Pixel 9 Pro actually, and I don't want the XL. The XL is freaking big. I just want the 9 one, which it's okay with me, and I think it's gonna be really cool. And I'm gonna let you guys know when we're gonna grab it and check out the review, and seeing the device in handy is gonna be really incredible. So let me know in the comments down below what type of feature captured you mostly on the Pixel 9 lineup, and it's gonna be really amazing. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. Last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video, and peace.